Hello. 'Tis a good day in this household. Every day's a good day when you have cards to open, right? Right. Well, let's see what this is. So I told you guys, I think I told you that Target was offering that special deal where if you spent $100 on cards and toys and whatnot, they give you a $25 gift code. And so I went on just looking, I was just checking it out, see what they had new. I actually went looking for the 2019 Bowman mega boxes on both Walmart and Target and could not find them. But in the search for mega box, I found this mega box. And I applied my gift code towards this. And since I have that little red card, I got even further discount. So I really got this really cheap. I didn't really put too much thought into it. I just knew it was something new and different that I hadn't broken. Looks like, I don't think there's an autograph in here. I think it's all about these 2 bonus 4-card mega box exclusive pink Prizm parallels. I don't know why they break it into 2 bonus packs instead of just 1. That doesn't make a whole lot of sense. Oh, wait. I was wrong. Let me get it in the light. 1 autograph. So, 2 bonus packs, 1 autograph. And Mega Box exclusive rookie autographs, Carolina Blue Prizm parallels. So there's 10 packs plus the 2 bonus packs. So, autographs and exclusive parallels. I'll take it. Although we know that Panini is notorious for putting points in instead of autographs on these mega boxes or special retail boxes, which stinks. So hopefully we don't get that. There's the odds if anybody cares to see those. It's a lot to process, as stated previously when opening this, because there's so many parallels. It makes the odds just incredibly long. There is the retail price, but like I said, I didn't pay that. Got a deal. There's the 2 bonus packs. We'll do those last. I guess the autograph will be somewhere in here. So let's get to it. Baruki, a Willie Calhoun red mojo, and Taylor Ward rookie. Kershaw, Brad Keller rookie. Here is I guess this is a Carolina blue, Jack Flaherty, because I haven't seen this blue. It's not the blue mojo and it's not the standard blue. So Dakota Hudson rookie. Moncada, Beeks, Donaldson. There's the regular blue, which I do believe is my favorite color of all of the parallels. It's just a really deep, just a really good looking blue. Smoke. I don't like any, I don't think of the circles, the donut circles. Chris Sale Brilliance, and a Christian Yelich Fireworks Silver. I like all of the silver inserts. They all look good. Wade Davis. I ripped that pack. Donaldson, Bogarts, Taylor Ward, red rookie, and JD Martinez. Renfro, Machado, a green circles pool holes. That's not bad. He's probably a higher, no he's not. I was going to say he's probably one of the higher numbers, and he's number 27, so nope. But that is numbered out of 199. Correa, Aaron Judge, Illumination, and a silver Framber Valdez rookie, and Justice Sheffield rookie. Ryan O'Hearn out of 100. So it's the Carolina Blue autograph they spoke up on the box. Ryan's autograph is teeny tiny, and it's basically, I think, just initials. Yep, R-O-H, I think. I like the Carolina Blue autograph. That looks good. So cool, an actual autograph and not redemption. And then there is a Sosa Blue rookie and Reese McGuire. Adam Jones, Matt Chapman, another Austin Meadows parallel, and Kevin Newman. Austin Meadows and I are tight. AJ Pollock, Travis Shaw, a red Luke Voigt, and De Los Santos rookie. Alright, let's open these bonus packs. Actually, let me put these wrappers away, because they are all up in my grill. Alright, let's check out these pink parallels. Hopefully these are a deep pink and not like a light pink. Yeah, that's pretty good. Kevin Newman rookie, De Los Santos again, Benintendi, and Bumgarner. Last pack has Jeffress, Ponce de Leon rookie, Tanner Rainey rookie, and Lorenzo Cain. That's pretty good value for the price, especially for what I paid up, but I mean, I'm trying to think of it as if I paid full price. Let's see, a box is about 100. This is less than half of that. You got one autograph, some exclusive parallels, and all the regular. Yeah, it's not bad. I don't think it's bad. Let me know what you think. Comment below. Do you think, if I paid $40, is this a good deal? I don't know. A lot of you know, the Prizm baseball, because it doesn't hold its value all that great, but I still love it. I can't help myself. I love all the colors. I love it. I'm not gonna go through it again. I know you all heard it, but I just like it. It's really, really fun to open. It's just, and I've opened a lot already, and it doesn't stop being fun. It's just fun. So thanks so much for watching, everybody. Take care. I'll be back with you again soon.